Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tour, and this is Khmer New Year in Battambang town. Yes, it is in Net Young High School. Yeah, and the lights so beautiful and so crowded. Yeah, many people. Yeah, and this is Fred. He come from France, and he is my friend. Okay. Now in Net Young High School was built many building for many school. Yeah, the light on the tree is so beautiful. Yeah, and many girl is so beautiful. Yeah, yes, 3 girl. Yeah, ooh, so beautiful. Yes. The kids play. Yeah, the boy and girl they talk to each other or go with each other. Yeah. Yeah, in that area it has boxing also and sell the food, seafood, Khmer food. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is Fred. Yeah, he is a MMA champion at French. Yeah, he walked with me tonight. Yeah. Yeah, this place for boxing, but below are the water. Yeah, they will sit on that the stick or the iron, and they will punch each other. Yeah, if they fall, yeah, below is the water. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, Khmer people like to visit concert or the another show. Okay, they not yet. Yeah. Okay, oh, they already. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the red corner and the blue corner. Okay, 1, 2, 3, fight. Okay, punch. Wow, attack a lot. Ooh. Yeah, they fall down. Yeah, to the water. Wow, beautiful girl. Okay, I go to that place. That place is people are dancing. Yeah, they done Khmer song. Yeah, this is the singer. Yeah, they are singing and the people are dancing. Yeah. Yeah, Khmer people like singing, like dancing, art, boxing. Yes. Okay, so I go to another place. Yeah, and this store is so 3 girl, 4 girl. Oh. Yeah, this is foreigner. Yeah, I walk. Oh, yeah, beautiful girl. I always point my camera to the beautiful girl and every another picture also. Yeah, this store is selling some fruit. Yeah. Wow, a beautiful girl. Yeah. Woo, wow, very pretty. So beautiful. Yes. Yeah, I go to the concert. Yeah. Yeah, I go to the place that people are dancing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I go too near they are dancing, yeah, too close, yeah. Yeah. Oh, more music, yeah. This is good music, yeah. The title of the song is Bon Pum. It means the ceremony in the village. People are very happy, yeah, for dancing. Oh, many people, yeah, to dancing, yeah. The people are dancing inside, go to invite the people are watching to dance with them, yeah. Okay, thank you everyone. Now my video is end. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, goodbye.